Hi guys, for the minute, don't know if you remember this one, but we're going to install it so I can at least charge up like my batteries and stuff like that off solar. Why not, eh? I've had this thing for absolutely years and it hasn't let me down yet, so yep, we're going to install this today. I have to wait until Thursday until Soph gets paid from work before I can buy any more stuff. But the thing I'll be buying would be stuff to make the bridge, probably, and the platform that I want to make for them. So I'll get you on a tripod and we'll get this fused up and plugged into the battery. Why not? As usual guys, I can't get you in a good place, but I can get you in a sort of a good-ish place. That's what we've got at the moment on the battery with the one solar panel, so it's pretty damn good. Move this out of the way, which can get put back away now actually no it can't, because I need to weld up my need to weld up my Jesus Christ, my stack truck. That's the one, my stack truck. Right, so I'm going to put this one here. Obviously it's got to be hanging off the edge because to be able to plug stuff in. I can't remember what size this was now. 150 watt. So not a lot, but it'll be enough to charge up batteries. I'm trying to think where I can stick this. I'll probably stick it through there for a minute, to be honest. Or I could make a new hole. Put it through there. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I need some cabling as well. Go with it. No, that'll do. And it's already got the stuff on the end for me. That'll perfect. Let me grab this and this. Remember? So now we need. Damn, I really need to stock up. I've got nothing. Ouch. Let me grab. Oh, actually, I won't grab a couple of them because they're tiny. Let me grab. What can I use here? You can't see, and I apologise for that. I need something that is big enough for fuses. Let me try two of them. Actually, I'll need another one of them to join up. So let's have a look at the fuses here. We'll go for 10, which should be the red ones. Of course that one doesn't say, but yes, it is a 10. That one's not going to work, I don't think. No, that's not going to work. So let me find something I can do here, guys. We'll start first off with mounting this. Hold on, let me go to my handy dandy screw section down here. You know it's the best. That will do. A little. There we go. There we go. Put that back. What I'm going to do is, in a minute, I'm just going to put it through here I need to think which one's the live one now. I'm pretty sure there's one with the writing on. Pretty sure of that. This one here. Wow, why is that going off so much? We're not even making that much. What the hell? No, that one's for the writing. So, do this one. Grab some more for that because that's pretty wrecked. Grab some more for that. Hold on guys, I think it might be the house phone. Yes, it was the house phone. Because they've been so clever to ring off a withheld number, I can ring them back, you see. Bloody idiots. Never mind. It's their loss, not mine. Right, I need screwdrivers here. Oh, there we go. Do them a little more. So I'm going to stick the live one in first. Whichever one was the live one again. Wasn't that one, I don't think. It was that one. So I stick that one in first. And then the live one from this one, I won't get confuffled. There's quite heavy duty wire on there, so it shouldn't be a problem. Wow, the only problem I have is the end being super thick. Okay, that's a bit better. Can open that tab a bit more. There we go. Like that. Let me put this one in. I'll test it for a minute to make sure it is that way round. But I'm pretty sure it is. So I'll quickly test it, then I'll fuse it. This is a bit ridiculously long now, but it's fine. I can fold it over. Not a problemo. Like that. You can't see, I apologise. Like that. So let me just have a look here, make sure it is the way it should be. So as you can see, it's on. So that is the correct way. Oh, I don't know actually. I don't know if you could see that or not. We're at there. Not too bad. So I need to undo the live one. Try and somehow whack a fuse in there. And carry on. So I'm back in there, guys. I'm trying to sort this fuse thing out. Right, for the minute, guys, all I'm going to have to do is plug it in without a fuse, and then I will go in and order like a fuse holder thing that will allow me to put multiple things, like one wire in to multiple fuses. If that makes sense, like in a car. And give it a test run to see if all good or not. Right. I've only got one. That's gonna suck. Which is broken. Of course. Of course it is. I don't want that. I know you can't see anything, guys. I apologise. I apologise. Oh, that one fit. That one fit. Yes. So, got one. I just need to. Oh my god, it's a complete mess in here. It's a complete mess. It's gone dark. It's gone dark. That's fine. That's fine. Let's do that for a minute, like that. Spin you around, put that, I don't really know where to put that. Right, let me put you all separately on all your separate own little things here. That's what I think I'm going to do. So I've got enough of them, I know that. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. I know I've got enough of them ring terminals. It's just whether it's going to fit through there now. Right, you didn't think about this, did you? Oh, god damn it. She's a no-go. Let's go for the next size up. If I've got enough of them. Sorry guys, you can't see, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, I don't want stupid size, do I? I really need to stock up on all this. Bloody rain, go away. Really, that way. So you can sort of see what I'm doing. Fantastic. So that can get routed down and around. Next one, I'm not too fussed about that one because that's for the shed. So I don't have any lighting in at the moment. You can't see this one again. I apologise. What else we got going on in our life right now? Not that one. Not that one. Which one have we got going for the lighting in here? That one's that. Yeah, that one's that. Which one's our lighting? Do you guys know? I don't. Which one's our lighting right now? It's not that one, that's the wrong one for that one. Ah, hold on. Is it this one? Hold on, is the other side playing up here? I think it's this one. So let me, ooh, need some more cable on that. There we go. That one's fused, as you can see. I've just ran out of those connectors. Gone tool station and order a boatload, boxload, yeah, that. What else we got going on here? That one there. So we'll do that. And then what I'll do with this one here is I'll do it so it's a quick attach sort of thing. So cut it there, cut it there. Same on that side. Just so I can quickly get it in there and attach it up and detach it if needs be. If needs be. Right, so I need to work out why I've still haven't got light in here. So it's not that one. Oh, I see the problem. It's come off. There we go. Silly. What are you doing, cheeky? Oh god, it's struggling to reach. So let me sort that out right now. Like that. Run this through there just for the minute. Like that, we'll have that one going up there like that. Oh, light's freaking out. Like that. And this one will go to the live this end. And screw it up real good. I want you going underneath so you get good contact. Like that. So I'm going to turn that one off, I'm going to turn that on. Now I'm going to turn this one on. Voila, we have a light. Don't know if you see that. So that's see what we get for charge wise then, because hasn't gone down yet. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. The light's on. I like this inverter because you've literally got no fans or anything that comes on, so it's not being wasted, if that makes sense. So I know this battery needs charging up, so I'm gonna like that. Remember, this has only got the 5-watt solar panel on it. That's the only thing. We'll start charging. Then we can start charging stuff off. God damn it! Off solar. Because why not, eh? This is an old battery as well. This is my old Vectra battery. So I'm surprised it even works this good, to be honest. But we'll come back in about half an hour time and we'll see where that's at. Right guys, been about 20 minutes now. My partner's just rang up, so I need to go pick her up, so see what it's at. Pretty low, but you should see the weather outside as well. And it's only got the 5-watt solar panel on, remember. Turn that off. And better turn that off as well. There we go. Yeah, I mean, it's crappy. it's crappy. So guys, I think that'll be it for this. Sorry it's only a short video. Did I turn that off? Yeah. Sorry it's only a short video. But I can't do anything until we get paid on Thursday, so I'm going to love and leave you. I hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys are having a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. And I'll be seeing you probably on Thursday. It's Tuesday today, so one more day to go. So I'll see you then.